trying this Marugame udon, Japanese noodles. Let's see. Hi nang una, hi magbayad. Diha, okay. Okay. Oh my God, it's yes. Tingnan nyo guys, klaro kayo ilang kuan fresh. Yan ang mga menu nila guys. Puro lang udon, wadayo ka ng ramen noodles. Yung thin na ramen ba? Gusto ko thin ramen. Did you hear that? Hello, chef. Sarap. Let's try this ramen, guys. Ramen, this udon. Not ramen. Malagi sila chicken, ah.
695.
Ano itong kinchak ko? Asa ito pang... Our Japan experience, guys. In a short period of time, nakaabot ni Japan. Right, boy?